Does that thing pick up audio as well?
Yeah.
Then it's going to destroy your audio.
Yeah. Good day. Good day for the beach.
About the same time, the Wicked Witch of the West flies by. I'm calling it quits.
Calling it quits. Chicken.
Whoa.
Okay, so this is a massive, colossal building project by Herod the Great in the 1st century BC. It contains a series of roads. When Rome would build a city, also this was in the old city of Rome, whenever they would conquer a village or a city, they would impose the structure of Roman roads onto it. And there were two roads that constituted a Roman city. The Decumanus and the Cardinal. Cardinal is where we get the word cardinal from, it means hidden.
Karate?
These two roads were at a right angle right in the middle of the city. And so, when Rome built this city, thanks to Herod the Great, they did the exact same thing. And we are going to walk along the Cardo of this old city. Along the Cardo would be the major marketplaces of the city and also the major places of entertainment. And here in this town of Caesarea Maritime, there are two. One of them right there is a theater, an amphitheater, where even to this day they still host concerts in the summer. The acoustics are so good, I love them. But it's so strongly built that it still stands to this day. It hosts a good 2,000 people or so. You can see up there, it's massive. And behind me, we are going to walk along a hippodrome. A hippodrome is composed of two words, hippos, meaning horse, and dromos, meaning road. It's a place where horse races were run. Like, for example, when you saw the old movie, oh gosh, what's it called? Ben-Hur. Yeah, that was done in a hippodrome. The Circus Maximus in Rome is the hippodrome. This is all significant because Paul and Peter were here in Caesarea Maritime, and the Acts of the Apostles mentions the arena in Caesarea Maritime. So Herod the Great, okay, let's go forward a little bit. After the fall of Jerusalem in 66 AD, this actually became the capital of the region of Palestine. Roman Palestine's capital was no longer Jerusalem when Rome conquered Jerusalem. So after Jesus, there were a whole bunch of zealots who thought that this great guy, Bar something, would be the Messiah, so they gathered around him, and Rome decided to quash the rebellion, but almost definitively. They exiled all the Jews out of Jerusalem in 70 AD, and they destroyed a whole bunch of buildings. However, more Jews came back, and in 132, Bar Kokhba, you may have heard this guy's name before, it means son of the star, had this messianic expectation that he was actually the anointed one. So a lot of rebels gathered together and fought Rome. And Rome finally said, we've had enough, and in 135 they destroyed Jerusalem, definitively. And they created a new capital called Aelia Capitolina. And at that point in time, in 135 AD, all of the Jews were exiled definitively from the Holy Land. They were no longer allowed to live here. So it wasn't until the late 19th century that actually Hebrews came back to this land. It was unoccupied because of the Romans destroying it. But here we have in Acts 24, where Paul was accused before Felix as being a, quote, ringleader